Hidden coins and relics are still sitting in parks and fields right now. The fun part is you never know what the next signal might be. In this video, I'm going over the best metal detectors for beginners. The picks sit in different price ranges, and each one fits a different type of search or location. So it helps to watch the full video and see which one makes the most sense for your needs. Links to every detector are in the description. If you enjoy videos like this, tap like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. If any questions come up, drop them in the comments section. Now let's get into the detectors. Number 6. Bounty Hunter Quicksilver. Starting off the list, this pick keeps things simple and friendly for someone new to metal detecting. The controls are clear, the weight is low, and the learning curve stays pretty short. The Bounty Hunter Quicksilver sits in the budget range, yet it still packs features that help beginners learn fast. A 4-segment target ID system helps sort common finds like coins, jewelry, relics, and iron. That means you get a better idea of what's under the ground before digging. The detector uses 3 audio tones too, so different metals give different sounds. Depth is another strong point for a starter unit. Coins can show up around 8 inches deep, with bigger objects reaching much farther. An 8-inch waterproof coil works on grass, dirt, and wet sand, so beaches stay on the table for weekend hunts. The screen shows target ID, signal strength, and estimated depth, which helps new users read signals with less guesswork. Automatic ground balance with squelch tech helps cut down false beeps in tricky soil. It weighs about 2 pounds and has an adjustable stem with a padded grip, making longer searches easier. One small downside, pinpointing can take patience, and the control box should stay out of water. Still, many beginners find it a fun and easy place to start. Number 5. Minelab X-Terra Voyager. Stepping up a bit, this next detector brings more features, yet still keeps things friendly for someone starting out. It adds a few helpful tools that make it easier to learn what different signals mean. The Minelab X-Terra Voyager sits in the lower mid-range category and offers 4 search modes: all metal, custom, jewelry, and a learn mode. That learn mode is a fun one. You can wave a specific item over the coil and the detector focuses on that type of signal, which helps beginners see how target ID works in real time. A large backlit screen shows target numbers and depth, so reading signals feels clear even in lower light. 7 discrimination segments help filter junk like nails or foil, giving a better shot at finding coins, jewelry, and relics. The detector uses a big 11-inch waterproof coil that can go about 3 feet underwater, making beach hunting a good option. The control box stays above water though. Weight sits around 2.8 pounds, and the adjustable shaft stretches from about 28 inches up to 55 inches, fitting both kids and adults. It even comes as a full kit with headphones, a digging tool, backpack, and batteries. One small complaint from some users is the battery compartment, which can feel tight to open. Number 4. Fisher F44. Moving further up the list, this detector brings more control and deeper searching for beginners who want room to grow. It adds extra settings that give you more say over what signals you hear. The Fisher F44 sits in the upper mid-range category and runs at about 7,690 kHz. That setup helps pick up coins, relics, jewelry, and other metal targets with good depth. Coin-sized items can show up around 8 to 10 inches underground, and larger objects may reach deeper depending on soil conditions. 5 search programs help shape the hunt. There is an all-metal mode, a coin setting, a relic setting, plus a custom program where tones can be assigned to different targets. A numeric target ID and depth indicator appear on the backlit screen, which makes it easier to read signals in darker areas. An 11-inch waterproof coil covers a wider patch of ground with each sweep, helping you search fields or yards faster. The detector itself has an IP54 weather rating, so light rain is not a problem. Weight comes in around 3.6 pounds with an adjustable shaft and padded armrest. Some beginners mention the settings take time to learn, and saltwater beaches can cause extra noise. Once the controls make sense though, this model offers a lot of flexibility for growing hobbyists. Number 3. Garrett Ace 300. At this spot in the list, things start to feel more serious for someone getting into the hobby. This detector keeps beginner-friendly controls, yet adds tools that help track targets with better precision. The Garrett Ace 300 lands in the mid-range group and runs at about 8 kHz. That frequency works well for common finds like coins, jewelry, relics, and other buried metal. Depth can reach roughly 8 to 12 inches for coin-sized targets, with larger objects going deeper depending on soil. One feature many beginners appreciate is the digital target ID scale that runs from 0 to 99. The screen gives a clear number along with a coin depth indicator, helping you judge what might be under the coil before digging. Built-in electronic pinpointing adds another layer of accuracy once a signal is found. 8 search programs and adjustable sensitivity levels give room to experiment as skills grow. Iron resolution helps separate valuable signals from trash, which saves time during hunts. The coil measures about 6.5 inches and is fully waterproof. A smaller coil means tighter target separation, though each sweep covers a little less ground than larger coils. Weight sits around 5 pounds, so it is heavier than some beginner units. The control box is weather-resistant with an IP54 rating, yet it should stay out of water. Many beginners appreciate the included headphones and simple screen layout. Number 2. Minelab X-Terra Pro. Getting close to the top of the list, this detector brings a big step up in flexibility without becoming overwhelming for a new hobbyist. It packs a lot of tools that help you hunt in many types of ground. The Minelab X-Terra Pro falls into the mid-range category and runs at about 7.69 kHz using VLF technology. That setup works well for coins, relics, jewelry, and even small gold pieces. Many targets can appear around 10 to 12 inches deep, with larger items reaching farther depending on soil and settings. 6 preset search modes help match the detector to the location. There are 2 park modes, 2 field modes, and 2 beach modes. 30 discrimination segments give a lot of control over which metals you want to hear and which ones to ignore. A large 12 by 9 inch double decoil covers a wide area with each swing and helps separate targets in busy ground. The coil and the entire detector carry an IP68 rating, meaning the unit can go underwater up to about 16 feet. Weight stays light at around 2.9 pounds with a 3-piece collapsible shaft that packs down to backpack size. The screen includes a red backlight, and the control pod even has a small flashlight. One small drawback mentioned by some users is that heavy saltwater conditions can create extra noise. Outside of that situation, this detector offers a lot of capability for beginners who want room to grow. Number 1. Nokta Simplex Ultra. Taking the top spot on this list, this detector mixes beginner-friendly controls with features you usually see on more advanced machines. It gives a lot of flexibility without feeling confusing right out of the box. The Nokta Simplex Ultra sits in the mid-range category and targets coins, jewelry, relics, gold, and other buried metals. A numeric target ID scale runs from about 3 up to 98, helping you judge what kind of object may be under the coil before digging. The color LCD screen makes that information easy to read, and the display stays visible with a built-in backlight. An 11-inch waterproof search coil helps cover ground at a good pace. The entire detector carries an IP68 rating, which means the whole unit can go underwater up to about 16 feet. That opens the door for shallow water hunting along rivers or beaches. Weight stays low at about 2.6 pounds thanks to a carbon fiber shaft, and the detector collapses down to about 25 inches for easier transport. Pinpoint mode appears right on the screen, and several tone options help identify targets by sound. The package even includes extras like a digging tool, carrying bag, and finds pouch. One thing to keep in mind, some packages show headphones on the box, though certain versions do not include them. With its balance of features and ease of use, this model stands out as a strong starting point for many new detectorists. So those were some of the best metal detectors for beginners you can start with today. If you found this video helpful, there are plenty of other guides on the channel. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you in the next one.